Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. You know, Halloween's right around the corner, and some of us are going to be having parties and different things like that. So I'm going to show you a real simple, no-bake Halloween dessert. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, we got our ingredients laid out here now. What we're using, first thing we're going to need is some Halloween Oreo cookies. And we got a little bit of milk here. We're just going to dip them down in the milk. We got a fork here, and we're going to put them in the bottom of our casserole dish here. Just dip them and right back over into the casserole dish. What we don't want to do is let them, get soggy on us in our milk there where we can't pick them up. We just dip them, feeding them using a fork because I don't want to get a whole lot of milk in my dish there. It don't hurt if a little bit gets in there, but you don't want to get a whole lot in there. And then just drop them back in your thing there, just like so. And what we're going to do, we're going to do the whole bottom of our dish like this. Should take about 15 or 20 cookies, something like that, less than a pack anyway. Now, I'm using the double stuffed Halloween cookies. You can use the single, you don't have to get the double stuffed or anything like that. You don't even have to have Oreo cookies that don't gas. Of course, everybody knows, about the Oreo cookie and the taste of it. So, but anyway, you just want to dip your cookies in the milk and then bring them right back out. All we're doing is just moistening them up, and they'll set. While they're sitting here, they will soften up. They'll absorb that little bit of milk on them, and they'll soften up, and that's what we're wanting. I'm gonna put a couple down the side here, and see, can I squeeze one or two on the end here? I just want to get us a good coat of cookies. Like I said, I want everybody to get some of the cookies. Everybody to eat some. I want to get some of the cookies. We don't want to leave anybody out. I want everybody to have some. Now, I ain't counting the cookies that I'm putting in there. So I really don't know how many I'm putting in there, but however many it is, that's what it is. It is what it is, I guess. That's the way to look at it. It is what it is. All right, we got our cookies there in the bottom. We're going to set them over there out of the way for right now. We're going to get us this bowl. I'm going to set this there milk that I dip them cookies in over here also. We're going to get us a bowl. We got 2 packs of vanilla, instant vanilla pudding. And we're going to dump it in our thing here, in our bowl. And we got 4 cups of milk there. We got 4 cups of milk. You can tell there's 2 different flavors of that. But we got 4 cups of milk, 2 packs of vanilla instant pudding. We got 4 cups of milk. We're just going to whisk this around. Just let that sit for a minute there. I'm going to whisk that around some. I want that to sit just a little bit there. And get that mixed up good. Be easier if we used an electric mixer, but that's okay. Like I said, it is what it is, It'll all come out in the wash, right? We're going to set that over, and hopefully that'll start to set just a little bit. And while that's doing that, we got a tub of Cool Whip here. We're going to just dip our Cool Whip out on top of our cookies. Got to work sort of quick here when you're doing this, because you'll wind up with your pudding set. I guess you could wait and mix your pudding up afterwards, but I like to try to let it set just a little bit, and start setting up before I pour it in there. So, anyway, If we work quick, we'll be all right. Putting in a whole tub of Cool Whip here. What we're doing. That's an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip we're putting in here. And like I said, we just want to get it spread around over our cookies there. This is a real simple dessert. Really good tasting. Like I said, adults, kids, both, you know, I mean, will enjoy this. So having your Halloween party or whatever, then you can use it. Now we got, like I said, 2 packs of our vanilla instant pudding there, 4 cups of milk. We just did it per the instructions on our package. And we're just going to pour this in on top of our Cool Whip there. Just spread it around, let it run all over the top of our Cool Whip. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, let that pudding set up some, and then we'll bring it back. Okay, we got our dessert out of the refrigerator. Our pudding is set up, and what we're going to do, we got another tub of Cool Whip here. We're going to just put some Cool Whip on top of our dessert, on top of our pudding, I mean. We're just going to sort of spread it around. I probably should stir it up some before I get too far into that and make it spread a little bit easier. We're just going to spread this around some. Try to get it covered somewhat. We ain't got to have it covered end to end, but we just want to get it spread out there. You know, just get us a little layer of Cool Whip on it. Because this is gonna make a big difference having the Cool Whip on top of it too, as opposed to just having the pudding there. This sort of reminds me of my pineapple dream dessert, but of course we're not using pineapples in this or anything. But if you hadn't watched that video, you may want to drop back and watch that one, because that's a real good dessert there too. This is a Halloween dessert here though. Halloween time. Like I said, it's good for parties, having a Halloween party. You know, it's cheap, doesn't cost a lot of money to fix it, and you can feed several people with it. So, you know, that's always the bonus. Nowadays, when something don't cost you very much, then that's a bonus. Now, I'm just going to try to spread that as smooth as I can around through there. And like I said, it don't have to be perfect, but I want to get it, you know, sort of even so everybody can get some of it. We don't want it all on one spot there. All right, now we got that spread around there real good. We're going to set that over out of the side. And I got the remainder of a bag of cookies here. What was left after we put our cookies on the thing. And I'm just going to sort of beat them up. We're going to take our frustration out on these cookies. Got them in that little old freezer bag just so they don't get all over everything. We're just going to crumble them up. We ain't got to crumble them up real good. We just want to get them crumbled up some so we can drop some on top of our dessert there. And we're going to just get us some in our hand here, and we're just going to, we probably ain't even going to use all of them, but we're just going to sprinkle some of them around on top of it there. Just to give it some extra flavor there. And, oh yeah, there's a chunk, didn't you? I don't want a big chunk on there. I want to use these little ones. I said probably didn't even need that much on there, but we got enough we can make it work there. Just like that. And we're going to stop, and we're going to get us a saucer there and something to cut that out with, dip it out with, and we're going to be right back and do a taste test. Okay, when we got us a plate here, we're going to dip us out a little bit, and we're going to give this thing a taste test. We're going to see can we get down in here and get us some dipped out here. I'm just going to cut that right across there and try to get us some that we can dip out here. Let's see, can we get it to dip out? Oh yeah, look at that. That's some good looking dessert right there. I know this is going to be good. Get it off of that there. Set that spoon over here to the side where we can get us a taste test. Yeah, buddy. With them cookies and stuff in there, yeah, I want to get me a bite of that cookie there. Give me a piece of that cookie there. Let's see what she's going to taste like. That is really good. That is really good. Show y'all. You can see the cookie in there. The pudding, the Cool Whip. That's really good. Hey, if you would, give the video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. We appreciate all of you take time out of your day to watch our videos. Halloween dessert. Y'all try this, you won't be disappointed. We'll see you on the next one.